How to use Deepseek V3 in Cursor 2025. In this video, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be talking to you about Deepseek V3 and how you're going to be using it in Cursor. So it's quite simple. Cursor is basically an IDE that you can use to build any type of code application or whatever you want. So to activate Deepseek in Cursor, the people at Deepseek have let you know that all you're going to do is you're going to go over to your Cursor settings, go over to models, and here you can see that the DeepSeek coder model is already integrated into DeepSeek, into Cursor. So what you're going to do is you're going to simply switch it on and you're good to go. But even in the case that it's not added, what you can simply do is you can add the base URL by clicking on adding model, and it should add the DeepSeek model for you. So that is pretty much about it. Thank you for watching this video all the way till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Have a great day. Goodbye.